Again, guys, thanks for tuning in for another one of our 5-minute install videos on our MFC garage. Like always, make sure you click the I already said like before, so that fucked me up. And if there is an aftermarket accessory that'll go on your Tahoe, your Suburban, or your Yukon, you'll see it here first. You want me to walk off?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't say the end.
Like,
comment, subscribe.
comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Got it. 3, 2. What's going on, guys? Jesse here with MFC Offroad. Thank you again for tuning in to another exciting 5-minute install on our YouTube channel, MFC Garage. Today we're going to show to you a very simple yet OEM plus solution for mounting your phones either in a 5th gen Tahoe, Suburban, or some of the trim models on a GMC Yukon. And that includes this part right here. The way that this is designed is it is a form-fitting solution on the left-hand side. So this is actually scanned and made to work perfectly. So when it locks in on the lower right-hand side of your center console, there's nothing to be seen. It locks right in. And then this side gets buried into your glove box section. So where the glove box opens, this goes all the way into there. And this one hole right here is going to be a self-tapping screw that we provide to you. Black in its color as well, so it's very inconspicuous. And then what that does is it locks it in and gives you a nice platform to be able to mount any type of phone mount that you have. A lot of our customers will use like a Scotch magnetic mount. I think they're called a magic mount. And it is magnetic, and it'll actually charge your phones while it is on here. Best part about this is it keeps your eyes dead on, so you don't have a phone in your way. Some customers don't like to have that, so we made this solution for them. Keeps it low and out of the way and keeps your eyes on the road and not distracted. We do have some other phone mounts as well, which is our Utilidocks that keeps them up high if you need to be able to see them for navigation purposes. But this one is a nice OEM plus solution, wrapped in leather that matches the dash pattern as well. Black stitching and made here in the USA, so check it out.
So the installation of this is very simple. It has a design that follows the contours of your HVAC controls and basically slides right in like this. You'll open up your glove box and take the included screw that has a Phillips head and screw right in from here straight into the inside. You never see the screw, you never see anything as far as the installation, and it locks in nice and tight.
So we open up the glove box, take the panel, and we basically flush it right up. So now the left-hand side has the contour that matches the HVAC controls. Right here is where the screw is going to go. And as we are using the Phillips head screwdriver to screw it in, we're going to push it in nice and tight. Take the screw, nice and tight. If you want, you can do a pre-drilled hole or do it by hand. It is a self-tapping screw. As you can see, we have a pre-drilled hole right here. And now it's locked in. As you can see, it's nice and tight. And this gives you a beautiful platform to put any of your phone mounts, magnetic, self-charging, wireless charging, everything like that. We'll show you what it looks like when the glove box closes. Just like that. Hidden out of sight.
And then again, nice and tight platform for any type of mounting solution you want to do.
Thanks again, guys, for tuning in to another one of our 5-minute install videos here on our MFC Garage page on our YouTube channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, if there's a product to be made for your Yukon, Suburban, or Tahoe, you're going to see it here first.